So how does Rover pay? Rover pays its pet sitters, dog walkers through PayPal
or a check. But when it comes to a check, it is only for US sitters, and the check does take longer to arrive. And the other thing is, if you withdraw your money through PayPal, there is no fee. With check, there's a fee. And as you can see here, it says that checks take up to 5 business days to process and up to 20 days to arrive and incur a $2 fee. If the check is not cashed within 120 days of issue, the check will be canceled and the funds will be deposited back into the Rover account to re-withdraw. So overall, the PayPal method is going to be the easiest way to go without having a fee and a faster withdrawal. Alright, so now let me show you how to withdraw your money by setting up your PayPal account. So all we're going to be doing is going to our dashboard and we have our balance. We're going to go to withdraw money and boom. Now you have your PayPal method. Enter your PayPal account email and there will be a little bit of delay on the initial setup. So I would definitely say set up your PayPal account as soon as possible. Don't wait until you have your first booking. Just go ahead and get it set up. And as you can see down here, I have my automatic payments set to on. And what that basically means is once Rover releases a payout for me, it will automatically go into my PayPal account without me having to do anything. And that just makes my life a whole lot easier. So again, when you get a moment, go ahead, set up your PayPal account, or if you do not have a PayPal account, you cannot set up a PayPal account, then for sure go ahead and make sure that everything is set up for your check, but it will take a lot longer to arrive and you will have a fee added on every time there is a payout.